GeoSpar, a specialized geoengineering construction company providing solutions for complex geotechnical issues like slope stabilization, foundation engineering, erosion control protection, ground improvement and rock fall mitigation. Under the Project Himank of Border Roads Organization, this bridge is located roughly 250 kilometers from Leh in the vicinity of Karakoram Ranges at kilometer 150 on Darbak-Shiok Daulat Beg Oldie Road. The DS-DBO road goes towards the international borders of India and China in the northernmost part of J&K. The road goes along the treacherous water of River Shiok with sudden rise and fall of the levels of water and melted glaciers and boulders flowing through it. The road connectivity to the border areas is disrupted in the peak seasons. Because of the violent forces of the river and difficult geological conditions, GeoSpar, a pioneer in its sector, was awarded the contract for detailed designing and construction of the substructure of the bridge. The project was segregated into 4 stages: 1. Investigation, 2. Pile testing, 3. Designing and 4. Execution. As this location is only used by the armed forces, no geotechnical data was available. We have drilled boreholes up to 40 meters deep in the riverbed and no compatible strata was encountered. The TUBE-A-MANCHATTE technology TAM forms grout bulbs around the pile and increases its skin friction. Investigation was followed by testing. A total of 22 test piles were conducted for both individual and group action of vertical and battered piles. The piles were designed to be 21 meters deep, 49 for each pier and 69 for abutments. To increase the skin friction of the piles, TAM grouting was adopted. This is a method of volumetric grouting which forms grout bulbs and strengthens the ground. The process of drilling TAM grouted micropiles in the RBM was the complex part. Drilling a 273 mm perforated mild steel casing was driven using an Odex drilling method. Grouting. After drilling up to the required depth, base grouting was done. The perforations of the casing or the TAM pipe is fitted with NRV to prevent backflow of grout. Using a double packer system, grouting is done in an ascending order at a pressure of 10 to 15 bars. Reinforcement. The grouted hole is re-drilled to insert the reinforcement cage, followed by a final fill grouting. The micropiles are not only taking care of the vertical loads of the bridge, but also taking care of the lateral loads, glacial loads, and scaver protection for the piers. To improve connectivity, this bridge, consisting of 10 spans of 44 meters each, is being constructed. It is Asia's first pilot project where micropiles are being used as a substructure for a Class 70R bridge. At an elevation of 14,500 feet, this is one of the world's highest situated bridges. The execution was very difficult because of the inaccessibility of the location and extreme climatic conditions. With only 6 months of working period, time was our main challenge. Our machineries were airlifted, and with the specialized skill set of our engineers, Geospar could finish the job with finest quality and well within the time frame. In Geospar, we strive to deliver the best geoengineering solutions with utmost safety and quality.